Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Hi, welcome back to Yoga for You. My name's Amanda, and welcome to your third class of the 4-part series. This one's called Mind Balance. So again, just to reference these classes, they can be done all in a row. They can just be done on their own. They could be done each day. They're made to be done sequentially so that you can have a longer practice or something that gets you through the week. So let's get started in child's pose. Bend your knees, tuck your toes, sit back on your heels, bring your arms forward, palms together, elbows a little bent, keeping it kind of chill. Forehead to the ground. Bring your awareness to your breath, to your body. Checking in with how you're feeling in this moment. Whether this is the third part of your practice today or the first time you're practicing today, it doesn't matter. And just drop into where you are on your mat with your breath. And little by little start to fade in your Ujjayi breath in and out through the nose. And then extend your arms out in front of you and rise up to hands and knees. And bring your shoulders over your wrists and spread your fingers. Ground down through your palms, softly bend your elbows and then wrap them in. Keep them a little bit bent. Spread more through your fingers, ground down through your fingertips. Pull them towards the palms and then lengthen through your torso. And keep everything a little buoyant so you're not overly doing it with the effort. And this is going to become really important when you get into poses that require a lot of balance and focus. So you don't want to extend too much into something that you're stiff and you fall over. You need to be able to kind of go with the wind here. So from here, inhale, tilt the hips, then the mid-back and the upper back and gaze forward. Exhale, curl your tailbone under, mid-back, upper back, tuck your chin. Inhale, fly the tailbone, mid-back, upper back, gaze forward. Exhale, curl, mid-back, upper back, chin. Inhale, fly your tailbone, mid-back, upper back, gaze forward. Exhale, chin and chest to the floor. Inhale, rise back up. Exhale, round through your upper back. Inhale, fly the tailbone. Open the chest. Exhale, child's pose. 2 more times. Inhale, round forward. Fly your tailbone, inhale. Exhale, lower your chin and chest to the floor. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, round. Inhale, fly. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, round forward. Exhale, downward facing dog, tuck your toes. Lift your knees. Spread through the fingers, press down through your hands and fly your tailbone way back. And then from here, you're going to inhale, lift your right leg up to the sky. Really spread through the toes. reach through the ball of the right foot. And then exhale, curl in. Bring your knee into your chest. And then step the right foot forward. Bring your back knee to the floor. Pull in through your legs. Inhale to lengthen through your heart. And then rise up. And hold here, squeeze in through your legs. Then exhale your arms out to the side. Press down through your right heel and start to shift your hips back, bowing your heart over your leg. Hold here, ground through that heel, pull it back. On your next inhale, we're gonna come into high lunge. Lift the back knee and rise your arms up. So bend the back knee a little bit, curl your hip under. Inhale, rise up through your fingertips, and then sink a little lower. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Take your arms down to your side. Start to shift your weight forward. Feel the weight into the right foot and how everything shifts. Now check in with your mind. How's that going? Stay with your breath. And then see if you can lean a little bit more forward until you can lift your back leg up into airplane. Keep buoyant through the right knee, a little bit of a bend. Pull your shoulders back. See if you can reach your heart a little bit more forward and your back leg a little bit higher. Then very slowly, bring your arms forward. Step your left toes back. And then inhale, rise back up, high lunge. And exhale, down dog. Inhale, round forward, high plank. Exhale, lower your knees, chest, chin. Inhale, press back up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg high. Exhale. Inhale, spread through the toes, reach back. Exhale, bring your knee forward. Step the foot between the hands. Lower the back knee, inhale, rise up. Stay here for a moment, exhale. Then bring your arms out to your side. Press through the front foot, dig the heel into the floor and shift your hips back. Hold here for a moment. Dig the heel into the floor and drag it back. Then inhale, moving into high lunge, bring the foot to the floor, lift the back knee and raise the arms. Bend through the back knee a little bit, curl the tailbone under. Keep that as you reach, inhale, and sink a little bit lower. Exhale. Inhale again. And then exhale, bring your arms down to your sides and lean forward. Feel that shift in weight and the shift in the mind. A little bit of heat. And then very slowly start to transition into airplane. And all the shakes, all the wiggles are part of it. Feel it. Be buoyant. See if you can curl your heart a little bit more forward, lift the back leg a little bit higher. And then inhale, bring your arms forward. Very slowly bring the right toes back and reach your arms up. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, round forward. Exhale, lower your knees, chest, chin. Inhale, up. Exhale, down dog. Take a moment, a little bend to the knees here. Let your tailbone fly slightly. Reach your hips back. Press down through your hands. We're going to do that flow again, but breath by breath. Inhale, reach your right leg up. Exhale, bring the right foot forward. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, shift your hips back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, arms out like airplane wings, lean forward. Inhale, airplane. Good. Exhale for a hold here, so let this sit again. Let this be your peak. And feel all the shakes. And then inhale, reach the arms forward. Slower than you want to. Bring the left toes down. And inhale, rise up. And then exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, left foot forward. Bring the back knee down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, start to shift forward with your arms to your side. Inhale, airplane. Hold. Squeeze through your right thigh. Bring your heart forward. Soften your mind and ease the breath. Inhale, bring the arms forward. Slower than you want to, step the right toes back and lift up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, round forward. Exhale, lower knees, chest, chin. Inhale, up. Exhale, child's pose.
Taking a moment to check in with the mind. Balance can be really tough, can fall in and out. And it may have brought up some frustration. And that's okay. But we're going to do it again. One last time. And see if we can soften to the experience enough that no matter what the pose looks like, or if we're in it for long or short, if we can open up to the moment. Bring your arms forward. Inhale, round, coming up.
Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, knee to chest. Step it forward. Back knee down. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, arms out like wings. Lean forward. Inhale, airplane. I'm going to switch it up on you. So you're going to come to standing. Bring your arms forward. Bring your left knee high. And then maybe straighten out that leg. Hold. And then shift back. Take the left leg back and inhale into high lunge. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, round forward. Exhale this time, just down dog. Inhale, left leg high. Exhale, step it forward. Bring your back knee down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, shift back. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, arms out like wings, shift forward. Inhale, airplane. Find your breath. And then we're going to come to standing. Bring that right knee high, bring the arms up. Maybe straightening out that leg and hold. Breathe. And then shift it back. Airplane. To high lunge. To down dog. Inhale, round forward. exhale, child's pose.
Let yourself feel. Notice the mind. And gently let your breath fade. And if you want to lay down into Shavasana, you can. If this is the end of your practice today and you're not doing the next class in the series, try and stay in Shavasana for as long as you can, till your body knows it's time to come out. But if you're going to continue on, maybe start moving with me right now and wiggle your fingers, your toes, waking up the body. Slowly roll up.
Finding a comfortable seat. Closing the eyes, hands at heart center. And the mind is it's a fickle thing. It does what it wants. But that doesn't mean we can't have a good relationship with it and help it with our breath and moving our body in healthier ways. Namaste.